Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. I hope everybody's doing well dahil Burr months na. So, I'm sure everybody nag-iisip anong hahanda sa holidays or anong Christmas gifts. So, konting advertisement lang. Kasi binigay ng chef friend ko, si Chef Mira of Artisan Emporium. Actually, ang ganda ng packaging. Malabonian din siya. No? So, her name is Chef Mira Cruz. So, she owns Artisan Emporium. Meron ata nito sa Vertis North. Tapos, meron sa Estancia Mall and sa Mega Mall. So, for here, it's gourmet tinapa, Spanish sardines, and gourmet tuyo. So, for today, kaya pinapredict nyo na yung mga susunod na palalabas namin sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Isa-isa po namin siyang ipapakita ano yung mga recipes na naiisip namin. But if you want, like if you're thinking of a Christmas gift, ito yung magandang Christmas gift. Tsaka meron din sila branch sa pinakamalaking mall sa buong mundo. Facebook. Meron sila doon. Diba? Kaya lahat naman nahanap sa Facebook. So, kung kailangan mo mag-order, meron din sila sa Facebook. Kasi doon ako nag-order. But she's a good friend of mine. So, for today, what we are doing is the Spanish sardines. So, this is the bottle na tinanggal ko na. So, this is a Spanish sardine. So, maganda siya. Actually, for this recipe, there's two recipes na naiisip ko. One is pang merienda. I call it my bread rolls na sardines. Kasi di ba normally when we think of sardines, we think about eating it with pandesal. Yun yung traditional, di ba? So this one, we'll just make it a little bit different. So very easy lang. So this one, you would need quick melt cheese, the sardines, and then just some sliced bread. But since the sliced bread, it's still quite, I'll probably make 4. Diba? It's still thick. What I will do kasi is I will just toast it. Hindi naman sa nagpaparinig ako, pero wala kasi akong rolling pin sa bahay. Kaya binalot ko lang ng supot yung bottle. I'm hygienic naman, kasi this is like magbalot sa food. So, iaano ko lang siya. Pa-flatten ko lang siya. Okay? So, that's one. I'm just gonna continue to make there. Probably, I'll make 6, no? Kasi, pauwi na si asawa. I think marami siyang kasama. It's perfect for merienda. Actually, I'm so proud. We're shooting right now. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Nakalimutan ko na anong day-to-day, pero wala pa kami kinakain karne. O, diba? Tapos ang merienda ko, sardines. O, diba? Ang galing. Nag-yogurt lang kami tsaka fruits ng umaga, tapos nag-lunch, adobong pusit. Wala pang karne. Merienda, no karne. Ang galing, diba? Isang araw na to. So, medyo accomplishment na yan, ano, para sa ating health. There. And here. Yan. Ito naman pala, oh. Meron naman pala akong cheese. Ito na. So, fairly easy. Napakadali lang nito. It actually, in fact, you can even put tomatoes if you want. Yan. Tapos, ito, I'll just open it up a bit para wala na yung tinik. Yan. So, maganda to. So, pwedeng lagyan ng tomatoes or pwedeng hindi. There are some sardines kasi, di ba, tomato sauce base. So, pwede mong gamitin yun. Here. Just make it into a roll. Yun. Easy. Roll number 1. Ngayon, roll number 2. Hindi ko na kaya ng roll number 10. Hanggang 6 rolls lang tayo ngayon. Ako may papamerienda pa yung asawa ko. Tatawag na ako ng Grab. Hindi ko na kaya ng roll number 10. So here, then I'll just open it up again para each bite, meron tayong sardines makuha. Yun. Okay. Pwede rin to, hindi lang pang merienda, di ba? Actually, pwede nyo gawin nga to the night before. Tapos sa umaga, di ba, iiwan lang sa ref. Pag gising sa umaga, fry ng konti, yun na siya. Pang almusal. Tapos pwede pa nga baunin habang kasakay ka, nagko-commute. Finally, tinulungan ako ni Ate Lynn. Nadali yung buhay ko. Finally. Yun. See? Cute, diba? So, it's very simple. Ang dali, diba? So, pwede nyo rin gamitin cream cheese, kung gusto nyo. Kaso mahal. Mas mura ata tong cheese singles, This is just like a sort of a version na hindi pang pandesal. Kasi ang alam natin is, ang sardinas talaga is, pinapares talaga natin sa pandesal. So, I guess, this is just another version of it. Diba? Kasi we use sliced bread. Only because ang sliced bread is just available. Diba pwedeng nakaiwan lang siya sa ref. No? See? No rolling pin. Kailangan niya lang ng bote. Parati ko nakakalimutan kasi bumili ng rolling pin. Pag nasa department store, I always forget. And parang feeling ko, hindi ko naman everyday nag-rolling pin. And then, if I need it, parang the bottle serves its purpose. Hindi naman ako baker. Yun. Now, we're ready to toast this. Let's go. Is you could just pop it in an oven toaster. But, I just wanna do this para mas pantay siya ma-toast, no? So, that's what I'm doing. So, I'll heat the pan. I'm just gonna make sure it's slightly coated lang with oil. No, it's not swimming in oil. So, that's what we want. Okay. I think kasha lahat. So, what I will do, I will sort of steam it a little bit. I'm gonna keep it covered because I wanna make sure the cheese inside is melted before I flip it around. So, I'll be doing that later on. So, chill-chill lang tayo dyan. No meat pa for today. Ang saya ko. Minsan lang kaya ganun sa buhay na wala kang kakainin ng isang araw. And actually, hindi ako masyadong conscious na kung kumakain ka ba ng karne. But I think it's about time we should be conscious ng kung parang how much ang intake talaga natin ng karne, no, sa isang araw. So sometimes, or kaya ba natin isang buong araw wala talaga tayong karne kakainin or any type of pork or fat or chicken. So I lowered my fire and I'm just gonna wait for a minute before I take this out because I just want to make sure the cheese inside is melted. And when the cheese is melted, mas dumidikit yung ating bread, hindi siya mag-open up. So I'm just gonna let it be like that for a while. Open it. There. And we're gonna flip it. Oops. There you go. It's nicey there. Bango. You can tell that the cheese has really melted. Just another 1 minute. And then, I will start plating it. Tapos, I used oil. I used vegetable oil. Can you use star margarine? Of course. It's gonna add a little bit more salty. Pwede. Do you wanna use butter? Yes. Pero tatas lang nga yung costing. So, it's entirely up to you. But for me, the oil does its purpose. So, I'm totally fine with that. Ooh. So cheesy. Okay. And then let me just chop a little bit. So let's just put green onions. Of course, nilalagyan ko lang green onions for color purposes kasi para naman maganda sa video. Pero sa totoong buhay, hindi ba naman kailangan gawin yan? Ano lang natin yan for color contrast. Here you go. This is our sardines bread roll. It's care of Artisan Emporium. So perfect for merienda or after nyo i-roll, lagay nyo sa refrigerator. The next day, heat it in the frying pan or with little oil. Pwedeng baunin. Kasi diba, pwede nga siyang ganito, handheld. Diba, pwedeng pang baon. So, enjoy and see you soon here at Kusina ni Mrs. O. House Angels ang titikim dahil hindi pa umuwi ang customer. Yan. O, 1, 2, 3. Lakin mo.
Ay, sarap na. Gagayayin ko.
Grabe.
Sardines with cheese. This is sardines bread rolls. This is sardines for merienda. Wala ba tayong karne?
Not bad.
Will you survive?
Daming cheese.
Will you survive walang karne
Yes.
isang araw?
Yes. Good. I like it. Not bad.